Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a alternative to ElevenLabs, which is a really good AI platform for generating voice to text to voice through the help of AI. So it's an open source project recently released 2 weeks ago. So I recently find it on github.com. I have also given the link in the description of the video. It's called as Speechma.api. So it's provide you with free API to actually convert text to speech, and it has almost 486 plus AI voices, unique voices, both female and male. And this is, you can see that this is completely free. And the website that I'm talking about, this is Speechma, which is a complete free website for generating voices from text. So once you go to this website, it's a completely free website. There is no restrictions to it. You can generate unlimited text to speech, and you don't need to log in right here. So once you land on this website, you actually see these uh, advertisements only. But right here, you inside the text prompt, you write simply what sort of voice you want to generate. So you simply write the prompt. So after writing the prompt right here, you just fill out this captcha right here, and you simply click on generate audio. So if you see the voices right here, you have various voices from to select from. So you can preview the voice by clicking the play button.
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special multilingual voice, expressive, versatile, and capable of bringing any language to life with clarity and emotion. Welcome to.
So you can see that the voices are belonging to different languages in different countries. You can also filter out with different countries, different languages as well. So this is a female voice here.
Welcome to Speechma. I am Speechma's special multilingual voice.
So whatever voice you want to select from here, you select it, and now click on generate audio. As soon as you do that, the text will be converted to audio, and now you can actually preview the audio which is generated. You click the play button.
Kane Williamson is the captain of New Zealand.
So you can just see this voice has a different tone to it, belonging to different countries, and you can simply download the voice as an MP3 file. So it's a really fantastic website, a great alternative to ElevenLabs, which is a subscription
Williamson
based
is the
website.
captain of New Zealand.
ElevenLabs, as you all know, it's a very premium AI platform for generating text to voice, but this is a paid platform. But this can be a free alternative to that, providing the same voices. You can again click on the different voice here. You just need to fill out this captcha every time, so which is not, you click on. So the processing is also very quick. As soon as you click the generate button, instantly.
Kane Williamson is the captain of New Zealand.
So all the voices are directly saved inside your browser. So nothing is uploading to server. It's a single static website directly in the browser. And also this API that I showed you, this API also is unofficial API of this website, speechma.com. So directly in Python you can install this model locally inside your machine as well. So pip install Speechma, and if you don't want to go to the website, you can directly install this model directly inside your locally. So once it get installed, you will be able to directly generate audio directly inside your machine. So this is their CLI here, right here. This is actually the command here. So you directly execute this command in the terminal to generate the audio. And they have also given the full Python example as well. So this is a Python script. So you simply create a simple Python script here, And once you execute the Python script here, you change the prompt here, and automatically it will create an mp3 file. So both the things are there. You can either use the website or you can use the API directly in Python. So ultimately it's a really good solution if you are looking forward to text to speech, a free solution. You can actually follow this website. So I'm using it for past 6 months and I haven't encountered any subscription notice. So it's completely free and unlimited. And again, you repeat the process, click generate audio. So you will see audio generated
Kane
successfully.
Williamson is the captain of New Zealand.
So you can see the voices that are there inside this platform are premium looking. It is not sounding loud like those voices are AI voices. It is sounding like real humans. So you select the voice from here belonging to different country, different. You can preview each voice.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into high-quality audio with just a click. Enjoy.
Welcome to Speechma, where your word.
So you can
Welcome
see.
to Speechma, where your word.
So if you are designing content related to different websites, different countries, this will be a perfect website for you.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform into high quality audio with just. Welcome to Speechma, where your words.
So
Welcome to Speechma, where your words transform in.
Welcome to Speechma, where your words.
So it has all the countries right here. You will see that.
Bienvenido a Speechma, donde tus palabras se transforman en.
Bienvenido a Speechma, donde tus palabras se transforman.
So at different languages as well. So from here you can select your own language as well. Apart from English, you select the language and those voices will come related to that specific language.
Vi tager det ved Speechma. Kodesave slova jednim kliknutim promi v kvalitni audio. Uides I bedst.
So it also has a pro version as well. If you this website is fully unlimited, but if you still want to try out the pro version, this is the speechmapro.com. So right here the character limit will be increased to 10,000 characters. So right here you can, in the pro version you will have more voices, fast server, zero ads. So the free version is more than enough, but if you want to try out the pro version, so this is the actual website, speechmapro.com.
Velkommen til Speechma, hvor dine.
Velkommen til Speechma, hvor dine ord bliver til lyd I høj kvalitet.
So definitely check this website out.